Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Trout Routes app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Trout Routes is a fly fishing map app designed to help anglers discover, plan, and navigate trout streams with ease. The app offers detailed maps covering thousands of streams, complete with public access points, parking spots, trails, and regulations. Users can filter locations based on stream type, access rules, and fishing quality. It also supports offline maps, making it useful in remote fishing areas with no cell service. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is praised for its clean design, easy navigation, and comprehensive coverage of trout waters across multiple states. Anglers appreciate the color-coded maps that distinguish public versus private land and the inclusion of access points that are often hard to find. Many users also find value in the offline feature, which ensures that they can still access maps while fishing in remote locations. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While the free version provides useful information, most advanced features, such as offline maps and detailed regulations, require a subscription. Some users mention that coverage is still expanding and may not be as strong in less populated fishing regions. Others note occasional bugs or loading issues. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Trout Routes app may be worth using if you're a fly angler looking for an all-in-one tool to explore, plan, and access trout streams. It shines in convenience, offline access, and detailed mapping. However, if you're not ready to pay for the premium subscription or fish in areas with limited coverage, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.